'cause she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you're new here, I'm just a vegan trying to make your plant-based dreams into a delicious reality, one recipe at a time. Y'all, this morning has been very, very slow. I kind of had a rough weekend, so I just needed to recharge and do my devotional and just kind of just get back to, the groove of things. So I am just having my water with some L-glutamine because I'm honestly not that hungry. So I will not be having a big breakfast. I'll probably do a protein shake, which I'll show you here in a second. I like to listen to my body. So if I'm not feeling hungry when I wake up, I just won't eat until around 12, 1 o'clock. So right now it's about 11:18. So yeah, I hope y'all had a great weekend. I'm so happy to be back talking to y'all. Like I said, my weekend was okay. I'm going through a lot of personal challenges right now, and I'm not going to talk about it because you can probably hear my voice breaking. I don't want to cry. A lot of good is happening, but also a lot of not a lot, but some negative is happening as well. So it's just adulting. They don't tell you this when you're kids, just navigating some of the trials and tribulations that you might face as an adult. But it's okay because we're gonna be okay. And y'all just keep me in your thoughts and prayers. We're just gonna end on that. All right, let's go eat and let's have a good day. Yay!
You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is nothing is forever. Then what makes the exception? So why, oh, why, oh, why,
Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. It is so hot here in Texas. But that is what I would call a successful grocery haul, okay? My total went from $65 to $48, still expensive because that vegan mayo, that's what got me. That is now $7.49. It used to be $4. Don't know what's going on. But that's a good haul. So I'm super excited about that. I got so many strawberries, so much produce, just some staple items. We like to keep a lot of fruit in our house, so I feel like I got a good deal. I don't know. I'm in Lance's car. This feels so weird. I'm in his truck. I'm not in my car. I have an EV, so my car needed charging, so that's why I'm not in my car. I don't know. I just feel like this is just so out of my element, but we're going to go with it. But yes, I love saving money. If y'all know me, I am the coupon queen. Follow me on TikTok because I drop a lot of gems on how to save money, especially when grocery shopping, because I go to the grocery store every day. And Kroger, y'all did that. I'm happy. I'm a happy girl. This is what gets me going. Also wanted to put a quick disclaimer. Not that I feel like I need to, but I just want to. Everyone in my household is not vegan or plant-based, so you may sometimes see things that it's wait, that's not vegan, that's not plant-based. It's for Lance. I usually go grocery shopping with him, but if he's too busy, I'll do the grocery shopping. I love the grocery store. It's like the mall for me. So I just want to put that disclaimer. If you ever see anything that's not vegan or whatever the case may be, it's for Lance. And this is a judgment-free zone. So if you're like, hey, I don't see how she could be with somebody that's not vegan, then this page is not for you, because I don't judge. And I think that's a lot of the problem within the community. right, this is just quick grocery haul. I need to wash all the produce, but not bad. Lots of fruit. This isn't like the week's food, but this is just our fruit restock. This is everything. All right, so lunch is done. Yes, looks so good. I honestly just had some ingredients around the house. I had some green beans that were about to go bad, my walnut meat, like half an onion, and these very hot peppers. Like my mouth, like my lip feels like it's swelling up. These red peppers. I think they're Fresno peppers. So let's taste test as always. This reminds me of a dish I had in Thailand. This is good. That pepper is hot. Y'all, tell me why I had to go back and forth with somebody on TikTok because they were trying to troll me. And I typically don't let the trolls get to me. But this time I was like, no. It's crazy what people on the internet will say. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? This is so good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish eating. I will see you for dinner, okay? This is so good. You gotta make this one. Chef's kiss. And this walnut meat. If you haven't made the walnut meat, what are you doing? Because, oh Lord, I think my nose is running. This is spicy.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure. You were the trigger. You brought me to an abstracted view. When you know the picture was bigger. Who was the kidding? But from the beginning, you ruled everything, every time. You are no friend of my motherfucking right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered. Motherfucking right, I'm tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me. All that history. All that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Calm down. Calm down eventually.
The water from the mushrooms will help the veggies get tender, so no need to add any liquid. Once all the water is cooked out, you know your vegetables are done. All right, here is the vegan hibachi. I'm super excited about this. It looks delicious. I don't eat a lot of processed food, so I'm excited about the Beyond Steak. Amen. Cheers. This is good. I want Lance to try the Beyond Steak, because I like to have him try the meat substitutes because he's not vegan. Lance,
Yes.
can you come try? Please. This is the Beyond Steak. Do you want to try a big bite or a little bite?
Let me do a big bite first.
Big? Okay, so
'Cause
this is
it's
what it
all
looks like. It was on sale for $2.99, so that's why I got it. Have you had the Beyond Steak?
I don't think I have. That's why I'm kind of excited.
I don't think so.
All right.
You could be honest.
It's a little more chewier
Then
than
steak.
steak. Yeah. Overall, it's good. It's just a lot chewier. I wasn't anticipating that much chew. It tastes like the fat.
Of the steak. That's
Of
what
the
I
steak.
thought too. I haven't had steak in years.
Yeah.
You know?
It tastes like the fat of the steak. It's good though.
So there y'all have it. That is how the Beyond Steak tastes from a non-vegan. I feel like I get a lot of judgment on my Instagram when I do my Instagram lives. People are like, how could you be with a man that's not vegan? Yo. So many people in this world, you can open it, baby. So many people in this world are not vegan, okay? So what can you do? I'm just not gonna be with someone because of that? Absolutely not. So I think all that matters is that he's open to trying vegan alternatives, because that was like my main thing. I didn't want to date anyone that wasn't open to it, but you're pretty open.
Yeah, I think I'm open.
Yeah, you're pretty open. But
Juice.
yes, beet juice for dessert. I might make me a little yogurt bowl, like this light, this like right on my face. But yeah,
Gonna be in this episode. Hey.
yeah, this is
She's not gonna expose me.
Beyonce Land.
What's going on, YouTube? How are y'all? Sorry, I am like concentrating.
So that is the end of this video. Lance made it to the end, which is really cool. It's what I ate in a day. I didn't eat much today, honestly, but I'm just gonna finish this, go to bed. As always, let me know if you're vegan or plant-based, if my videos have helped you. Like, subscribe, and if you're not vegan or plant-based, what is preventing you from making the switch? Maybe I'll end with asking you that. So you're not vegan or plant-based?
What is preventing me from making the switch? That's a great question. I think
Oh, I love how we both
are in sync with
grab.
fixing.
Yeah.
I think I can't give up seafood. I'm sorry. I really have a problem giving up seafood. That is my struggle point with vegan.
Sounds like a challenge for me to make more vegan seafood dishes. So yeah, let us know if you're not vegan or plant-based, what is preventing you from being vegan or plant-based. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.